everyone, welcome back. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same stuff in my last video, it's because I'm filming this on the same day. So today, this is just a nice little vlog. So today me and Eric are going to DIY turning our cupboard in the bedroom into a wardrobe by putting up rails and stuff like that, so we can finally get rid of the ugly, disgusting wardrobe we have at the moment, because I hate it. It's really old and it's all ragged and gross. It's been damaged and then painted over and it's fallen to bits. There's a couple of times when the rails just fell down and it's just not big enough for all of our stuff at the moment as well. So we're going to do that today, and then I think we're going to jet wash the patio, which could be very satisfying to watch. If I'm not doing that today, I'll definitely be doing it tomorrow. Why are you whining? Do you want to get out the door? Go on then. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Eric to shower and then we're going to get on with the wardrobe. So this is the cupboard that we are planning to turn into a wardrobe. Oh, sorry dogs. Charlie, come on in then. You can get through there. That's a massive gap. There you go. Yeah, so at the moment, I mean, it's really good for keeping the steam mop, the washing basket and the hoover in, and also all of our internet stuff is there, but all this space up here is just like completely unused. I feel like we could free up the space here where the wardrobe is at the moment. God, it's blurry, it's not focusing. Yeah, we could like free up all of this space in the actual bedroom by putting everything here inside of here. So I mean, it's a bit of a no-brainer. What are you doing?
Don't judge me.
And yeah, you can see where, I mean, you probably can't see it as well on the camera, but it's like all damaged and I've like painted over it, and it's just a really ugly wardrobe. The door doesn't close on it properly and there's just not enough space, like at all. This is just some of our clothes. We also have the drawers. Yeah, so fingers crossed. Also this pole is like bending and it's fell down several times. Like you can see, it used to be here but it broke out.
What are you gonna do with that?
With what? The teddies? I don't know, I think we're gonna get rid of some of them.
What?
I'm not sure yet. We'll find something. Yeah, anyway, let's get the stuff out that we need. Let's close this door.
Oh, that's not what it was.
Shoulder pouches. So this is what we've bought for the cupboard. I'll leave links if I can in the description, but we needed a stud finder. This was like 20 quid, but it's something that you'll use like for years and years, and it basically detects any studs in the walls or AC wires, metal poles, pipes, stuff like that. This pole came as a set with the things that go like into the wall itself. We might need to saw it down. Actually, could you go get the saw from downstairs, please? Thank you.
Do it where?
What do you mean? Oh, you're gonna saw it downstairs instead?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine.
Upstairs in the bedroom.
That's fine. Yeah. We're gonna have to cut it down with a hacksaw a little bit because it's just ever so slightly too big. But I tried to get it as close to the measurements as we possibly could. Obviously, you need a tape measure, which I've already measured all the wardrobe, and then these are centre supports just because I feel really self-conscious about the walls being really thin and the pole just falling. So these centre supports, which will like support it like that, will help a lot. Obviously a drill and a spirit level to make sure everything's straight, and yeah, we're going to take measurements and everything now. Are you all right there? So first things first is I'm going to use the stud finder to find AC wires, pipes and studs. I'm going to try, what you want to do with the like wooden studs is you want to try and drill these into the studs for more support if you can, if there's some there. I'm going to use different colours so I know which one's for which, and yeah, get on with it. So this is the way this works. I've got it on metal at the moment to find pipes. You kind of just move it along. Yeah, there's a pipe there. Then you keep going, no pipe. So it could be that it's not a pipe, it could be that it was finding a screw, because I do know that I've already marked that there's a stud there. So it's sometimes hard to tell. Yeah. So I think what it's finding there is a screw, because it's got one there, none. Oh well, there was one there a minute ago, there. Yeah, I think that's a screw, because that's where I've already marked that there's a stud. We've marked where we're going to do the screws and Eric is now going to drill them. Well, there's definitely nothing behind there. You can tell by the way that it's just bouncing straight in.
You're gonna have to hold it up like this.
Okay. Fine.
Then you're gonna have to hold it up and like not be on here. I need to hold on to it. I need to be up here, like screw it in.
I don't think I'll be able to reach it. So now we've marked where we're going to put the centre ones. I don't know why, but the actual, I don't know if you can see, but this actual back bit, you can't turn it. It's straight on here, but that bit itself is wonky, so we're going to have to drill it in wonky. But yeah. Gonna do those now. There we go. We did it. Eric did it. Now I'm gonna go grab the paint. I'm gonna paint like all the marks that we've left. I know it's in a cupboard and no one's gonna see it, but it still bothers me.
Also, given the choice to have on my business.
Let's do a before and after of the patio. It's not even that bad, to be honest. My feet are absolutely soaking, so I'm gonna go get into my pajamas. That's better. Nice dry socks and pajama bottoms. But now we're gonna, what are you doing? Now the paint is dry in here, we're gonna put the clothes in, see if it holds up. I think it will. It feels pretty, feels pretty sturdy.
I'm just gonna put this thing to the top.
It looks so good. And then we can still have all of our normal stuff. I'm gonna see if I can still hang the dressing gowns on there. And they definitely still fit. Yes, and I can get rid of this thing. So what we're gonna do is these pile of shoes, and then also that box in there is like workout clothes that literally we never touch. So we're gonna sort all that out and maybe store some of it under here. This is like clothes that Eric wants to put away. Teddies, I don't know where they're gonna go yet. And then I'm gonna ask, maybe it's on Facebook or something, if someone would like this for free. Because I mean, I'm sure there'll be someone who could find it useful. Someone might really need a wardrobe. Or I could maybe gift it to the St. Oswald's furniture shop, and then they can sell it, and that's for charity. It saves me trying to throw it away, but we'll see what happens. It's getting pretty late in the day now, so I'm going to put some tea on for me and Eric. We're going to have some sausage, mash, mushy peas. Actually, let's show you what the path is looking like. It's looking much better. I don't know if you can tell a difference really, because they were already fairly clean, but I think they do look a lot better than they were. Completely forgot I had makeup on, and I've been like rubbing my eyes. We've just been chilling for the rest of the evening. It was movie night, and we have like this, well, I'll show you actually. We have this like jar filled with movies that we've both wrote out, and it's things that we like haven't seen or that we really want to see. Tonight was Mother. We haven't seen it before. I thought it was going to be a horror. I don't even know what to say about it. It was just so weird. Definitely really interesting. If you haven't seen it, I would recommend watching it and then trying to figure out what you think it's about or what you think it means, because both me and Eric had guesses of what we felt like the meaning was, but both of us were wrong when we watched like explanation videos. So yeah, I would definitely say it's worth a watch just to see what you think about it. It's not particularly good or anything. Did you think it was good? Mother.
Not really.
No.
I wouldn't watch it again.
You won't watch it again?
No.
But do you think people should watch it and then?
Honestly, no. I think you should watch a better movie. Yeah. I mean, it was alright. But we were close to guessing what it was.
No, we weren't.
No, we were. I said it was it's about an influential person.
Oh yeah, you said like a celebrity.
Yeah, an influential person who causes drama and all that stuff, but wants to be loved, and then the other person doesn't want that stuff. But I didn't realize that it was.
Don't say what it's about. I'm not saying what it's about on purpose, in case people watch it.
Why?
Just in case. So that's what Eric thought it was about, and I thought it was the imagination of a creative person. I don't know what else to say about that. Anyway,
it's similar.
Yes, kind of similar. Kind of similar.
Together and you're kind of there.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely watch it if you haven't seen it.
No. I wouldn't.
I'm gonna end this video here. So if you liked it, don't forget to leave a like down below. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.